Are you a parent who has a young child who's about to start daycare? Or maybe a school-age child that you no longer need a full-time nanny for? My name is Jolie. I am a nanny and family matchmaker with Creating Connections. It is Real Wednesday, so let's get real. Today we're getting real about part-time versus full-time work. So our kids, they go to school, they start daycare, they do these different transitions where maybe we don't need full-time care for them anymore. Maybe we need part-time after school care or only 2 days a week or 3 days a week. Regardless of what your needs are, I am here to support you with those needs. I have plenty of families who have full-time nannies that I've helped place. I have plenty of families who have part-time nannies that I've helped place. Summer's coming up too, so let's have a conversation to see how I can support you.